Hi everyone, how are you all? You're watching Let's Gym Accountancy, myself Aminat Jaman. In my today's lesson, I will discuss about various methods of consideration of amalgamation. Okay, or what are the methods that can be applied, or what are the forms through which the purchase consideration may be paid to the transferor company by the transferee company. All these methods I will discuss in these lessons. So please watch till the end of the video. So look, methods of consideration for amalgamation. First method, lump sum method. Under lump sum method, what is it? Payment of a specific sum of money, the consideration for amalgamation, the consideration is taken. Under this method, what is said? The payment for amalgamation paid in a lump sum money. Suppose the consideration for amalgamation is rupees 2,40,000, but the transferee company pay in a lump sum amount, suppose say 20,000 equity shares, issue 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So total consideration will be 20,000 into 10, it will be 2 lakh. So this will be the lump sum method for consideration of amalgamation. Is it clear? And it is paid by the transferee company to the transferor company. Lump sum. Next look, intrinsic value of share method. Intrinsic value. What is intrinsic value? How it is valuated? You can got it in the valuation of shares. Okay. Now intrinsic value means what? Valuation of shares on the basis of available net assets of the company. Okay. On the basis of net assets available to the company, the intrinsic value of shares are find out. Is it clear? And on the basis of that also, the purchase consideration may be paid for the amalgamation. Is it clear? So, number of shares of transfer company. Okay, the formula how to apply or how to find out the intrinsic value of shares of purchase consideration. Number of shares of transfer company. What is the total number of shares of transfer company multiplied by, that is into intrinsic value of shares of transfer company of a share. Okay, eta shares or dam kiman hoy. Okay, it then multiply we will get the intrinsic value of shares of what? Transfer company. And this total amount will be the purchase consideration or consideration for the amalgamation. Okay. Next method, look, share exchange method. Share exchange method means what? One share against another shares. That is exchange. That means exchange of shares of transferee company with the transferor company. That is called share exchange method. Look at here. In this method, the transferee company takes over the business of the transferor company on the basis of the ratio in which the shares of the transferee company to be exchanged. Is it clear? Under this method, what is happening? The transferor company takes over the business of the transferor company on the basis of what? On the basis of ratio of shares in which the transferor company is to be exchanged. Suppose say against three shares of transfer company, 2 shares of transferee company will be issued. So the ratio will be what? 3:2. Is it clear? Next, net assets method. This is very important. One of the important method of consideration for amalgamation. Under this net asset method, what is happening? The payment is made or consideration is made on the basis of total assets and liabilities taken over by the transferee company. What is the net assets? What is the net liabilities taken over by the transferee company? On the basis of that, the consideration is made. Suppose say, under this method, the amount of purchase consideration is determined on the basis of agreed value of assets and liabilities is taken over. Already I have told you, on the basis of agreed value of assets and liabilities taken over by the transferee company, the consideration for amalgamation is made. And the formula for find out the consideration under this method is what? First look, assets taken over at agreed value. Okay, what is the agreed, that means asset taken over by transferee company, but what is the agreed value, not the book value. Okay, so what is the agreed value, you have to write it here. Then less you have to deduct liabilities taken over by the transferee company. It also should be in agreed value, and when you will deduct from second one from the first, you will get the another amount, and it will be the amount of purchase consideration. Amount of purchase consideration. So these are the various methods for consideration of amalgamation. Okay, please like, share, comments, and subscribe the channel. Wait for the next video. Have a great